we'll crack 3 eggs and then scramble them in a bowl. Scramble the eggs till they're completely mixed and one consistent color. I'm also going to add about a tablespoon of milk. A lot of people like it without milk. I like a little bit of milk. And then stir again. I'm going to add just a drop or two of avocado oil. A lot of people use butter or regular oil. I like to use avocado oil. We're in a Teflon pan. We're on low, medium-low heat. You don't want it too hot. Adding the eggs to the Teflon pan. Try not to stir them until you see them turning a little white around the edges. We're getting a little bit of white around the edges, or cooked. So you just kind of move them around a little bit. You can't flip them. This gets the uncooked egg down to the cooking surface. I always try to use a rubber spatula or there, the eggs are done. Turn the heat off. Perfect scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs, whole wheat toast, and orange juice. Salt and pepper to taste. Lightly salt and pepper. Enjoy your scrambled egg breakfast.